$5 to $30 is not too small for you for testing app on websites, for doing little survey on websites, for writing content on websites. If $5 to $30 is not too small for you, this video is for you, and make sure you watch this video to the end. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, it is how to make money. Yes, you heard me right. I'll be sharing with you some websites where you can make money with your smartphone by doing some little things on your phone. Some of them are basically what you can do in your home, in your comfort zone. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Adekunle Adeola. I talked about affiliate marketing, how to make money online. I talked about business structures, how to start a business, how to monetize your business, and the necessary tools to grow your business. If that is what you are looking for, then you find the right channel. So kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on your notifications in case whenever I drop some videos that will be useful for you and your business. So without wasting much of our time, you can check my other videos: how to start affiliate marketing, the mistakes affiliate marketers make, how to start your business without having so much fun. There's so many videos I have made in the past that might be useful for you and your business. I hope you make use of this website and make use of it in a very good way. The good part of those websites I'll be sharing with you in this video is that most of them works in Nigeria. Even if you reside in Nigeria, you can still make use of this app and make so much money for yourself. Let's go to my screen. The first one is bed.co, the first website that you can work task online even without leaving your comfort zone, without leaving your bedroom, is bed.co. So in this website, you are going to be a partner, because in this website you are working for yourself. You are not working for anybody. You'll be a fleet manager. So all you need to do when you get to this website is scroll down. This website actually works for anybody. It works for every country. Even in Nigeria, it works in Nigeria. So all you need to do is click on this fleet manager right here. Now they will ask you if you're ready to be a fleet manager. Click on yes and fill your form, your email, your name, and your residential country. And after filling this form, they will send you an email to get back to you and fill the necessary form to be part of their company. And the benefit of this website is that they have factory everywhere in the world. The main thing is you are working online. This is not your regular 9 to 5 job, okay? You are working online and you are working with people you don't see. And the sweet part of it is that they are paying you in dollars. They are paying you in foreign currency. So I wish you best of luck. So let's move on to the next one. The next one is Textbroker. Textbroker actually work for people that write online. Okay, in this Textbroker, even if you don't write online, you can actually work on Textbroker. This is how you can do it. The first thing is you choose your niche. In Textbroker, they have so many niche. You choose the niche you want to work with. There is content creation, distribution and promotion, analysis optimization, so many. You scroll down. So here you can choose content marketing agency. You can be a newsletter writer. You can be a content writer. You can be a blog writer. Sign up on this website. You come to this image, click on it. Here they will tell you a client to other content. If you are a client to other content, click on sign up. But then you want to make money. You are not a client. You are not buying their content. You want to make money. So sign up as an author that writes content. After signing up as an author, you choose the content type that you want to expertise on. You don't have to be a writer, mind you. After going there, go to ChatGPT to write your content. Go to plagiarism.ai to remove the plagiarism. Go to humanized.ai to turn your content to a humanized content. So even if they use AI to check your content, it will be written on their website that you are the one that writes the content, because this website I have mentioned will turn your content to human writing content. It will not show that it's AI that help you to write your content. So Let's move on to the next one. The next one is Surveyor. Earn money completing survey with Surveyor. So in this particular website, you don't have to stress yourself too much. All you have to do is participate in survey and earn money. Go through the website, find more about them, then sign up. After signing up with Surveyor, they will send you an email, a confirmation email, and what you can do. We send Survey paid in euros, convertible either on PayPal or Amazon voucher. So even if you don't have a PayPal, in Surveyor you will still earn, because they can pay you with Amazon voucher, which you can redeem to turn to your normal currency, either in Nigeria, Ghana, Uganda, Kenya, anywhere in the world. So you can actually try this Surveyor website. So let's move on to the next website. The next one is trymatter.com. Trymatter is actually working for those that wants to test app. Okay, this is an app testing website. You get paid by just testing their app. Even if you don't have an idea of testing app, there's something you can do. If you have an idea of testing app, then come to Trymatter. Just choose the one you can test, then start testing and get paid. The sweet part of this Trymatter website is that they are also paying you in foreign currency, and it is not something that is very, very hard, because I've tried it. So you can also try it. It doesn't really waste time though, so just try it out, go through it. Right after you log into the website, scroll down to the bottom of the website and look for a software tester. So click on become a software tester, get paid to test. In this website, they will pay you for testing their app. So you don't really have much to do. All you just have to do is test their apps, give your honest feedback, and get paid. This is their requirements. So after reading carefully what they want and what they don't want on this website, become a software tester. So click on become a tester and fill the necessary form. Use your email to fill the form. Please use a good email. Get paid to use websites and app, and give your honest feedback, and earn from $5 to $30. You'll be sent an email to verify you and go through the necessary 5 simple step test, and after that you'll be a tester and earn from $5 to $30. I wish you best of luck. I hope you learned something from all these websites I've shared with you. If you'll be trying any one of them, let me know in the comment section. I will try it out in the comment section. And if you want me to make any videos for you, kindly state it in the comment section. If you have subscribed today that you watch my videos, let me know in the comment section by commenting I have subscribed. I also have a community where you can join. The benefit of being in my community is that you'll be the first person to be notified whenever I have any new videos. You'll be the first person to know whenever I have opportunity around. So kindly join my community below. There is WhatsApp community and there is Telegram community. Kindly join my community. It's below this video in description box. Join my community, subscribe, like, share this video. Somebody wants to make money online in 2025 and they don't know where to go. So share this video, comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.